the advice you want to give to people? Because you've done it in your earlier years yourself. You've done, options trading, derivatives, all of that.
The name itself is future optional है यहाँ पे, future and option है. So you have an option.
Maybe not.
Do or die, And SEBI also says that 90% people lose money in
Nobody's listening to SEBI. They put out
nobody
the
listens
release,
because everybody wants to come into that category of 1% or 10%
who are making
made
money. Yeah.
Usually what happens, so why do all these youngsters or new investors come into the market and they want to make money in future and option? Because so many people ask me, where should I bring my initial capital from if I will not do trading and all? So I tell them that there are two ways you can create initial capital for investment into this market. One is by doing FNOs, future and options, and chances of winning is 1%. 99% chances are there that your little bit capital, whichever you put as a margin in the future and option, will also be wiped out. So this is one way. Second one is whatever expenses you have, daily expenses, monthly expenses you have, you can curtail your expenses for
to
3,
start
4, 5
creating
years.
that initial corpus to invest.
Yes, save that money from your own expenses. Don't go to fancy hotels and don't go for all fancy branding things and all because you are still young. So save that money from that and create a capital, invest in the market. Chances are that 90% chances are that you will be successful.
Yeah. That's
at least you won't, 100% chances are that you won't fail.
That is
at
true.
least.
That is true.
So that is the simplest way. But nobody wants to make it simple. People want a complex theory. सबको रेत से ही तेल निकालने का है कि नहीं मेरे को रेत से ही तेल निकालना है तो निकाल भैया तो एक बार गिरने के बाद में समझ जाएगा जिंदगी लंबी है कोई बात नहीं